What's up, what's up? This your boy S.I. Rico. Hope y'all digging the hat. I am too. I'm feeling a little bit better. Of the little, sickness I had, the little cold. Actually a lot better. But yeah. Let's take care of a problem. Y'all see this? Brand new. And I'm already getting splitted. Right here too. Ridiculous. Now, here's the damage that have been done, and we haven't even driven the car yet. So all we did was install them, and I guess from the heat, since the car been sitting, this is literally what happened. So when you're paying for lower control arms, make sure you pay for some with very good bushings, because you will get this cheap rubber bushings. Placing these with polyurethane replacements. Knock that out. Then you want to knock off the bushing. Look something like that. We'll just knock the other side out. And then you left with an empty sleeve, like you see so. So then you want to get your replacement side by side. Slide this through. Oops. Slide that on like that. Real simple. Slide the other side in like this. And then slide your sleeve in like so. And booyah, that's all there is to it. And just like that, you got yourself some polyurethane rear lower control arms without the crap. Haven't seen no one on YouTube replace the bushings out of some rear lower control arms, but now you got a video. And we will be installing a VMS rear lower tie bar. Put these. Yeah, I was replacing the rear lower control arm bushings.
Yeah.
The black one, I don't know if you seen it in the garage. The black one, I got a 91 CRX that's in there too. I just kept the stock bottom in. I put a VTEC head on it, and everything else is stock besides the cam. Yeah.
Back to the real world.
Well, he's got here safe. That's all that matters.
Yeah. It's easy.
The blue control arms I put on.
Yeah.
The bushings in there was just crappy material.
Oh.
If my buddy got time, we should have it tuned today.
Something looks different about that brown car. Did they get different rims on it? When it was, is that the one that got in the accident?
No, the white one. They totaled that one out.
What?
The white car, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, they totaled that one out.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
For some reason, I just thought it was a little fender bender.
Oh, yeah, the whole back end was pushed in.
Not gonna drive it anymore because we got a lot of miles on it.
Yeah.
And Jordan has moved to, they're staying with her sister for 3 months in Atlanta.
So that's how you replace the rear lower control arm bushings. And any set, as far as I know, that you can buy off the internet, any brand, you can replace the bushings just like that. And we also did a lower tire bar install from VSM or VMS, one of those. But yeah, this your boy SR Rico. It's getting kind of hot now, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Rate, comment, subscribe, and love y'all. Peace.